The universe is a vast, enigmatic canvas, stretching out before us in infinite directions. It's a place of awe and wonder, where every galaxy, star, and nebula tells a tale of cosmic evolution, of forces that shape and mold the very fabric of existence. Yet, despite our greatest efforts, there are aspects of the cosmos that defy our understanding, forces so powerful, so elusive, that they remain hidden from view. Among the many cosmic mysteries, one stands particularly intriguing: the Great Attractor, a force that pulls entire galaxies toward it, yet remains obscured from direct observation. Its presence is undeniable, its influence immense, yet its identity is as elusive as the dark matter that pervades the universe. But what is this Great Attractor? A supermassive black hole? A concentration of unseen galaxies? Or is it something entirely more exotic, a force of nature yet to be discovered? And what of what lies beyond it? What secrets remain hidden in the vast, unexplored reaches of the cosmos? These questions stir the imagination, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we believe we can understand. In the vast ocean of stars, the Great Attractor pulls at us, unseen yet undeniable. It exerts a gravitational force on galaxies across the Laniakea supercluster, including our own Milky Way, drawing them toward it at speeds that defy comprehension. The force is colossal, immeasurable, perhaps by any scale we have yet invented. Yet, despite its immense pull, we cannot see it. It is like the wind. It moves things, it shapes things, yet remains invisible to the naked eye. How, then, do we know it exists? What evidence can we rely on if we can't directly witness the source of this strange, powerful force? The answer lies in the movements of the galaxies themselves. Galaxies, once thought to move in random, chaotic patterns, are, in fact, being drawn toward a single point in space, toward something that remains forever out of our grasp. This is a mystery that has stumped astronomers for decades. We observe the motion of galaxies, the way they seem to be guided along an invisible path, like boats floating on a river with no clear current. Yet, despite all our knowledge, the Great Attractor remains hidden in plain sight, its power evident, its form unknown. For more than 30 years, astronomers have pursued the Great Attractor, trying to uncover its nature and, perhaps, its purpose. How does it exert such a powerful gravitational influence? How can a force be so strong yet remain entirely invisible to the instruments we have at our disposal? This is the question that drives the field of modern astronomy forward. But to answer it, we must look beyond the limitations of our current tools. We are hindered by the zone of avoidance, a massive cosmic blind spot that exists because of the dense core of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. It is as if the universe has thrown up a barrier between us and the unknown. The truth of the Great Attractor lies on the other side, behind this veil of stars, gas, and dust, a place that is shrouded, distant, and, for now, unreachable. And yet, even in the face of these obstacles, we press on. We have developed new methods, new technologies, new ways to peer deeper into the darkness. And with each breakthrough, we find more evidence of the Great Attractor's existence. But as with any great mystery, the closer we get to the truth, the more questions arise. Theories abound, each one striving to make sense of the unseen force at work. Could the Great Attractor be a supermassive black hole, whose gravity pulls on everything in its vicinity, a cosmic titan consuming everything in its path? Or is it something more subtle, a vast collection of galaxies, too distant and diffuse to observe, but whose combined mass creates a gravitational well so deep that nothing can escape. Or perhaps it is something else entirely. Some suggest that the Great Attractor might not be a single object at all, but rather the result of some deeper cosmic structure, a hidden web of dark matter, or a far-reaching force we don't yet understand. Maybe it is a manifestation of something beyond the known laws of gravity, a new kind of force that has yet to be discovered. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly understand. The Great Attractor might be just one piece of a much larger puzzle, a cosmic riddle that stretches out into the farthest reaches of the universe. And so, we are left with a paradox. The greatest mystery in modern astronomy lies hidden behind our own galaxy. The zone of avoidance is a cosmic obstacle, a darkened swath of space where our view is obscured. It's as if we're standing on the edge of a great chasm, peering into the abyss, but unable to see what lies beyond it. What is this blind spot but a reminder of how far we have yet to go, how little we truly know? The universe is so vast, so complex, that it constantly reminds us of the limits of our understanding. Even the most advanced telescopes can only see so far. And still, the Great Attractor eludes us, like a whisper from the darkness of the unknown. Yet, perhaps this is how the universe teaches us, by showing us how much there is to learn, by revealing how much we do not yet understand. Every question answered only leads to more questions. Every discovery unveils a new mystery. The Great Attractor may be hidden from our eyes, but it beckons us to explore, to look deeper, to reach further. And what lies beyond the Great Attractor? Could there be something even more extraordinary waiting for us beyond the limits of our current understanding? We know that the universe is not static, not a still picture, but an ever-expanding, ever-changing panorama of creation. The Great Attractor is not the end of our journey. It is a signpost, a marker in our quest to uncover the deepest secrets of the cosmos. Beyond it may lie entire realms of space and time we have yet to even imagine. Perhaps there are galaxies, not yet born, whose light has not yet reached us. Or perhaps there are forces, new and unknown, that shape the movement of the universe in ways we have not yet detected. The Great Attractor, in its immense pull, could be guiding us toward a revelation so profound that it will change everything we think we know about the cosmos. The truth is, we may never fully understand what lies beyond it. We may only catch glimpses, like brief flashes of light in the darkness. But in those flashes, we are reminded of something fundamental. The universe is vast, and its mysteries are far from exhausted. We are not just explorers of space. We are wanderers in an endless ocean of possibility. As our technology advances, so too does our ability to reach beyond the limits of the known. We stand at the edge of discovery, poised to break through the zone of avoidance and see the true nature of the Great Attractor. With each new leap in scientific progress, the universe opens itself a little more, and the path toward understanding becomes clearer. And though the answers may lie in the distant future, perhaps the journey itself, the search, the quest for knowledge, is just as important as the discoveries we will one day make. For every new question we ask, for every new horizon we pursue, we inch ever closer to uncovering the deepest secrets of the universe. The Great Attractor may hide its true form for now, but we are determined to find it, and whatever lies beyond. The universe is not a still, unmoving thing. It is a living, breathing entity, vast, mysterious, and full of potential. The Great Attractor is just one of the countless mysteries that invite us to explore, to push our boundaries, and to question the very nature of existence. And as we continue our journey, we carry with us a simple, yet profound truth. The more we seek, the more we realize just how much there is still to learn.